Hello guys and welcome back. Today's video will be another review for Buchy's magic blender. I get a lot of inquiries about how to purchase this blender. I will leave the information in the description below. I hope you enjoy watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much. God bless you. So here are my peppers: bell pepper, tomatoes, onions and garlic. I'll be blending all together in the Buchy's magic, demonstrating to you today that Buchy's magic will blend all of your ingredients without leaving any seed or any residue, just like you do in the market. So now guys, I have put all of the peppers, onions in the blender without adding any water. You don't need any water when you are using the Buchy's magic blender. Okay, so I put it in the frozen setting because my ingredients are already frozen, and I put it for 3 minutes, and this blender will liquefy it, blend everything so smooth. The Buchy's magic blender is very powerful, and it will blend anything whatsoever. So I have to use the press to press the onion peppers down so that the blender will be able to reach them and blend them very good. Buchy's magic is a commercial type blender that you can use at home. It's so powerful. It can blend your beans even dry. It can blend your rice dry. It can blend your coconut without even adding water. This blender is so powerful. I am impressed with it. If you live here in the U.S, you can order directly from their website, and I know you will be happy you did. So guys, this is to show you I still have a lot to blend, and I will just keep blending and I will show you what the end result is. So guys, this is the pepper after I finished blending it. I started to boil them already, so I will allow it to cook down until it thickens up. Then I will pack them up and store in the freezer for later use. See how smooth that pepper is without no seed or any tomato or anything that is not blended. Very good. So guys, I'm done now. The pepper is well cooked, and I dish them into little bowls like so, and I'll put them in the freezer for later use. I hope you enjoy watching. Please check out my description for Buchy's magic, how you can get this blender if you so desire to. Till I see you in my next one. Thank you all so much. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share the video out. Till I see you next time. Bye guys.